Welcome again. Once again, my name is Prophet Ayo Samuel, the General Overseer of Shiloh Chapel, Abuja, Nigeria here. I want to congratulate you for having a time like this, and this is a wonderful season. This season, I want to continue to tell you something that I know that will change your life as you listen. I want to talk about association again. Association can make you to be different from your parents. Not that your DNA will change, no, but your mentality will change. What stopped your father was the people they associated with. What stopped your parents? They associated with people that could not go far in life, and they stopped there. It's not evil. It's not demon. It's not Satan. It's all about mindset. What did I say? Mindset. You need an idea. When you associate with the right people, you will have better idea. Ideas rule the world. If you're looking for money, money may not come. But if idea comes, you become a solution. You solve problems and money will come to your pocket. If you can solve the problems of men, they will give you money. They will not look back. For example, when we were looking for communication in Nigeria, people were crying. How can we have steady communication? Some countries came into the country and said, their head said, I see money and dollars on the streets of Nigeria. People were laughing at them. When they went and left, came back, they now brought MTN and everybody started rushing. As we were rushing, we were giving them money because they have solved the problem of communication while we empty our pocket. I empty my pocket to give them and you do the same. Because of what? They have solved a problem for us. If you can solve the problem of men, men will not give you their money. The problem you solve will determine what men can transfer to your account. Do not be a liability in life. Do not have a shortcut. You can still make it. In Switzerland, every billionaire started from the age of 20 to 40. How did they make it? They believed in themselves. How they can solve problem of mankind. If you solve the problem of people, they will give you money. You become a success. This is the only way. Don't think that something stops you, somebody is pursuing you, somebody is attacking you, somebody wants you down. What people are talking may not stop you if you change your mindset. Their opinion may not stop you. What they are planning may not stop you if you have the habit of forming the right association. Association can make you to be great overnight. Association can make you to be a slave for life. Choose the right association. That is the secret of life. There are two people in the world, and I want you to choose one group. One is people that consume, and people that produce. I repeat, there are two categories of people in the world. There are not more than two. People that consume, people that produce. What are you producing? You can produce ideas. Ideas can be turned to money-making machine. You're looking for money? It's very easy. What can you do for people to be happy? You can make it. People started doing comedies. It's money. Just for people to be happy. BP disappears. People can produce the kind of artwork that nobody has produced. It's all in your mind. People that produce, people that consume. If you're a consumer, you will not have money enough in life. If you're a producer, you will have more than enough. You need to start producing something. Even sand can give you money if you're a producer. How can you produce? God has brought everything on earth, but you have to search for how to make it a business-like manner. Like water. Water is everywhere in the world. Even if you have rock in your village, there is a device that can bring water, and water can be turned to money. The same water people used to play. The same water people look down on. If you package it well, you become wealthy. I want to stop here, but I want to remind you that if you want to survive in life, you will remove fear. My father failed That should not stop you. My cousin failed. That should not stop you. I have shared my ideas with all the people I know, and they did not accept. The KFC man and McDonald man, they shared the ideas with thousands of people. Nobody accepted until one person accepted. You need one person to believe in you and work with you, and you will make it. Another person you need is God, your maker, the one that brought you into this world. If God is by your side, there is nothing you will not achieve. Fear not. Move on. Don't give up, and you will become great. Men that are champions, they face challenges. People that run away from challenges, they cannot be champions. You must be a star from the stadium. If you are not in the stadium, you will not be a star. May the Lord be with you. Thank you. Till next time.